Hello. In this video, we are going to go over another derivative, and this time we're going to do a product rule that includes a chain rule. So this is going to be fun. All right. So remember, when we're doing chain rule, we have to do outer system, then inside system. So first, let's take a look. I have f times g, function f times function g. So the product rule is going to be the derivative of f times don't derive g, just keep it the same, plus don't touch f this time, keep f the same, and derive g. That's all we're going to do. So what we can do is take it to the side really fast and just take each derivative on their own. So I'm going to write f of x is 3 ln 2x squared plus 1. Now I want the f prime of x. Well, we know our coefficient stays on the outside. The derivative of ln is 1 over, so we'll put a parentheses, 1 over whatever that ln is of. And if it's a chain rule, we don't touch the inside. So don't touch 2x squared plus 1. Then we derive by the derivative of the inside, which is 4x. Okay? So then we have to clean that up, and this will become 3 times 4, 12x over 2x squared plus 1. Cool. All right. Next, we're going to do g of x. Let's do a different color, and let's make this a little smaller. Make this a little smaller. That way it's just a little cleaner, okay? Okay. So now let's do f or g in a different color. So let's do purple. G of x is going to be the other one, and I'm going to rewrite it in a way that I can easily see the power rule. So 2x squared plus 5x, let's make that a little neater, please, plus 5x minus 10 to the power of 1/2. So now we have a chain rule. We have this outer system, a power rule, which means the exponent comes in front and we subtract from 1 from the exponent, right? So the exponent comes in front. We have 2x squared plus 5x minus 10 to the negative 1/2. And notice when I did the power rule part, I do not touch the inside. That's everything. Then multiply by the derivative of the inside now, which is just 4x plus 5. Okay, so we have the originals and we have our derivatives. All I'm going to do is plug and chug. Okay, so when I plug in chug, we have f prime, which is 12x, 2x squared plus 1, and we don't touch g, which is square root 2, let's make this a little neater, which is square root 2x squared plus 5x minus 10. Perfect. Let's move all of this over as well because we're going to need some room. Perfect. All right. Then we're going to now plug in the other side of that equation. And we see we're going to plug in f, which we don't touch this time, which is just 3 ln 2x squared plus 1 times the derivative of g prime, which we found down here, which is going to be, and we'll have to move this over just a tad. We'll move this up. And this is going to be 1/2 times 2x squared plus 5x minus 10 to the power of negative 1/2 times 4x plus 5. And now all we need to do is just clean it up. We have done the hard part. We've done the deriving. So this first term is going to be 12x square root 2x squared plus 5x minus 10 all over 2x squared plus 1. Then the negative exponent is going to go below. So we're going to have 4x plus 5 ln 2x squared plus 1 all over, and let's make sure this is out of the way too, all over square root of 2x squared plus 5x minus 10, and we have a 2 in front as well because of the 1/2. And then this will be your final answer. Okay, so that is how we do a product rule that is going to have a chain rule in both of them. If you have any other questions, please let me know. Other than that, and shoot me an email or say your question in the comments. Other than that, I hope everyone has a great day.